Hello everyone, welcome to my stream. Today I am going to build a calculator website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's get started. Let's drag this in my VS Code. I'm using Visual Studio Code. You can prefer own choice of your editors. I'm using VS Code. Okay, let's create the index file. Okay, let's rename the title here. Calculator. Okay, I'm going to create another file. Style.css. Sorry, my bad. Style.css. I'm gonna create another file script.js. Okay, index I will use inside the head tag. I can link the CSS file which I have just created in the file tree. Okay, style is been linked. Now what we can do is now we can add the script tag to include this script.js file. To include it index with the index.html. Now we can use test this out in our browsers. Okay, use the live server extension. Okay, food has started. So hello, here it is what we have written in our body. Now what we can do is there is some generate padding default. We can remove this to provide this. We can use universal select. Inside this, what we can do is margin 0, padding 0, box sizing is gonna be border box to include admins border and padding. Okay, if we okay, it's gone now. There is no padding, etc. Now we can create the structure of our application. We're gonna be adding section ID, gonna be container. It's gonna be having first one is gonna be display. Next is gonna be buttons. Now what we are going to do here is we will create buttons. Button is going to be one. Like that. What we are going to do here is 9. You can structure it as you want, but my preference is like this, and it's gonna be okay. 9 and 7. There will be an right side, right extreme right. There will be some operators, button operators in calculators. So let's first make it division s. Create another 4. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and operator is gonna be multiply. 3, 2, 1 is gonna be plus. And I'm going to create another 4 buttons. It's gonna be get the addition, sorry, subtraction, reset, and 0 equals to. Okay, we can see this in our browser. It's like this. It's not looking very good. What we can do, go to make side by side screens for convenience. And let's go to container. Style the container first. Container. What we can do here is container is will give height and range. Width is also going to be 100 good display flags selection justify content centered align items center. Okay, and it will be centrally aligned. Sorry, it's not going to be that because we are using the ID, so there will be hash selector for this. Okay, it's been centered. It's fine. Now, then we are gonna wrap these two things. Okay, wrapper. Okay, why shortcuts are not coming? Let's do it explicitly. ID. Let's name this out. Now I'm going to target the wrapper. So email by hash wrapper. Width is going to be 20%. Let's keep it like that for now. Margin X is going to be auto to centrally align it. Margin along x-axis, so y-axis is going to be 0, x-axis is going to be auto. It will centrally position this. Now I'm going to use border 2 pixel solid green. It's like that. Padding is going to be 10 pixels from the axis, both of the axis. Now I'm going to put on border radius. Going to be 10 pixels. Because padding has been applied. Okay, now inside them, I'm going to target them. Let's not just give the border, let's actually give the background. Let's keep it black for now. Wrapper. Display height 0.75 run PG is gonna be each. I don't know how it looks like. Okay, that's fine. Padding will be 10 pixels. Pixels on the axis. Okay, that's good. And give some color radius. Color radius. Sorry, 15 is gonna be more. Pixel according to this. And we are also going to make it flex wrapper. There will be some characters going to be 10 pixels. There is some issues. It's not entirely taking the width. Let's actually okay the margin and pixels 0. It's gonna be okay now. Calculator. Now what I will do is I will create the grid of four buttons, 4 and 4 like that. And let's start with the buttons. Hash buttons display is going to be grid input columns is going to be repeat 4 or 1 frame. Okay, like that. And it's also gonna have padding of like horizontal padding like this 10 pixels. Counts as horizontal both the axis. So I think we are giving padding to the background. So let's not do any padding. Let's see that later. Later on. Okay. Buttons, written buttons. Justify item center. Sign center. Now we can target the button. Each button. BTM. And percent. Padding. 10%. Border is going to be 1. BG of each part. Border radius 50% because we are going to make it circular type. Yes, like that. Okay, in the grid we are going to place the gap of 10 pixels. It's looking quite good. And I think gaps are less. 1.24 grams. Let's go now and we'll target this button and keep the file size button and font size. Set as this and we will just target this button and keep it this color. Let's actually give the ID. Else. And it's going to be APG color of each. Yes, it's okay. And I think there needs to be some gap between these two. What we can do here is buttons. I will use magenta of 10 pixels. It should be fine, yes, like that. And I think it could have looks good right now. And Let's actually give the class to each button. Now I will also get a value. It's gonna be 9. Gonna be 8. It's gonna be 7. And it's gonna be division operator, and it's gonna contain 6. Gonna be 5. Gonna be 4. This one is gonna be our multiplication operator. This one is gonna be 3. This one is going to be 2. This one is going to be 1. And this one is going to be a plus operator. Plus, this one is going to be a minus. Let's keep it reset. Sorry, let's make it simpler. Let me see. Its function will be to reset our display. Potential state. Okay, this one is going to be value going to be 0. Value is first. Okay, based on this we can actually target display. Okay, let's keep the script here. Move this, make it larger bit. Okay, const JavaScript display is gonna be 8 and we are targeting the class, so we are gonna put value selector. This one is dot display. What we can do here is we will target all the buttons. Const buttons equals to document. Sorry, this is going to be an array dot from document dot query set. All it's gonna be btn. And reset button is also going to be there. Okay, it's going to be some suggestions. Just remove them. Clear is first, not clear is going to be C. Okay, I will give ID C. So that can be C because we are using the ID here, and equals is going to be hash. For each button, what we can do is buttons right. Now we are getting one button here. What we can do is for each button we will add the unit listener. When we click on it, what we are going to do here is we are going to get the value. First of all, we will actually log the value that we are typing. Let's see, let's actually see that inside. So see 7. This is going to be this weight and this is going to be this weight and this weight and this weight and this. Okay, so our buttons are all working good. Okay, here what we will do here is we will add the switch case. Switch case. Case. In case value is C. What we are going to do here is display dot text content, or we can use in HTML. And we will break out of statement. Okay, in case it's equals to, we are gonna calculate display as content is gonna be, we have real function to calculate this. Display dot text content, and we are gonna break out of the statement. If none of them is there, we are actually gonna write everything. Actually, what we type is it's gonna be displayed on our screen. It's like that is called button dot value. Okay, let's actually see that whether it's working. Let's refresh everything. 9 is here. Okay, plus 8. Okay, now what we are going to do here is equals to equals. Okay, so it's not doing anything. Okay. This. Case equals this. Once again, display button dot value. Let's actually do that again. 9, 8. Actually, it's not getting clicked. Right. What's the issue? Let me try to figure some what's actually doing. Not value. Why is it not clicking? Oh, there is not actually this class equals button. This should be there. Okay, let's actually do it again. 9 is not type plus 8. Okay, boom. 9 plus 8 is gonna be 17. Now if we type C, okay, everything has been removed. So our calculator is up and running. Now I need to style this a bit, and are good to go. 10. Okay, go to display. Sorry, I don't need this thing anymore because we are not doing anything with it. I don't know which one is unsaved. So let's save everything here. And display, we are going to do the display flags. Just apply content maybe central. And items is also going to be central. No, it's not like that. Divided by okay, and it's not going to be central. So what I will do is just my content is going to be flags. Okay, 7, 4, 5, divided by 8. Okay, it's looking amazing. Okay, let's actually do more padding to the display. It's gonna be 20 pixels. Looks quite good now, and this padding is very less, I think so. Okay, let's actually go to wrapper padding. Let's actually give one run. Okay, it's looking absolutely fine. Now let's actually type 65 minus 8. 57. That's okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you for everyone for watching my video. Hope to meet you in next video. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye bye.